This is question 35 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2017 forenoon session. The observed bearing of a traverse are given below. The station most likely to be affected by the local attraction is. So in this question, four lines are given, namely PQ, QR, RS and ST. The forebearing and back bearing of the line are also given. Now by observing this bearing, we have to find the which station is affected by the local attraction. So this question is from the topic of local attraction. You may study about this local attraction in detail in lecture module 4 lecture 2 surveying by Professor Bharat Lohani, IIT Kharagpur. While taking the bearing of a line, sometimes it is found that the magnetic needles deviates from the correct position, and this is due to the availability of magnetic materials nearby the station, and the deviation arising from such local sources is called local attraction. And there is two ways to find the local attraction. The first way, if the forebearing and back bearing of a line does not differ by 180 degree, then there is a possibility of local attraction during the observation of the line. And the second way to find the local attraction is if the sum of the interior angles of a closed traverse does not provide 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, means if the value of the sum of the interior angles of the closed traverse will not equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, where n is what? N is the number of sides in the traverse. Then there is a possibility of local attraction. So now in this question, the bearings, these four bearings and back bearings are given. So we may find the local attraction by observing the difference between the forebearing and back bearing. So here for line PQ, the difference for line PQ, the difference comes as, if we subtract this 2 to 6 degree 15 minutes minus 46 degree 15 minutes, we will get the difference as 180 degree. It means this station P and Q are free from local attraction. So we can say this stations free from local attractions are. Here we observe that the difference between back bearing and forward bearing is 180 degree. So we may say this station P and Q are free from local attraction. So again just find the difference between this forebearing and back bearing for line QR. So here the difference between this forebearing and back bearing, we get this is 178 degree. So here we are observing this is not differ by 180 degree. So there will be a possibility of local attraction. So since Q is free from local attraction, so R, this station R will be, so station R will be affected from local attraction. Now for line RS, the difference between the forebearing and back bearing is 181 degree. Again here we are seeing that this R and S, for line RS, the difference between forebearing and back bearing is not differ by 180 degree. So already we have observed that station R is affected by the local attraction. Now we cannot say that S is also affected. Why? For that we need to calculate we need to find the difference between forebearing and back bearing for line ST also. So now for ST, the difference between The forward bearing and back bearing is 180 degree. So now here we can say this station S and T, station S and T are free from local attraction. So among stations P, Q, R, S and T, only station R are affected by local attraction. So we can say only R stations are affected by local attraction. So we can see option only R is in option A. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.